Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a simple, easy drugstore, soft, natural look. I hope that you guys enjoy this one. I think this one may be or may not be mostly voiceover. I'm not sure how I'm feeling. First, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I haven't used this in a minute, and I'm just going to take that and put that all over the face. Next, I want to go in with this Wet n Wild foundation stick. It's in the shade Almond. I remember particularly not caring for this, so I haven't used it much, but I decided to pull it out the drawer and give it a go. So I'm just going to put that on my face. Now that that's done, I'm going to apply my concealer. I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Olive. Now that I remember, the Wet n Wild foundation, I feel like the shade was off. So maybe why I didn't like the product was because of the shade range. Because they don't even have, I think the shade that's after Almond is too dark. But yeah, I guess that's why I didn't particularly care for the Wet n Wild foundation. But like I said, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I don't think that I love this one as much either, just because I felt like it was kind of hard to blend out, but we'll give it another go. I'm not gonna lie, that time I didn't have too much trouble blending it out and blended out fine, but I didn't give it like a lot of playing time. Like I went ahead right after I applied the concealer and just blended it out, you know. So I guess I'm gonna go straight into a bronzer, and today I'm gonna be using the Morphe what's this called, the Morphe Glamour Bronze in the shade Leader. This is the newer bronzers, so they came out with some bronzers beforehand, and these are like the newer version of that. So next, I'm going to go in with the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter Palette. I haven't used highlighter in a really long time, so I decided today would be a perfect day for this. I'm not going to put too much. I'm going in with the shade on the bottom right. Now I'm going to take this Morphe Luminous Setting Spray and just spray my entire face with that. Now we are going to go in with the Warrior Palette by Beauties. So first I'm going to go in with Kano, and I'm going to add like just a little bit of eyeshadow just to bring this entire look together. Then I'm going to go back in with the bronzer that I used just to deepen it. But the color that's in the Warrior palette is too dark, that matte brown. I don't want it to be that dark, so I'm using bronzer. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Ahosa, which is like the cream shade in the palette. That is pretty much it for like the eye look. I just wanted something simple. Now I'm gonna take this NYX Worth the Hype mascara and yeah, put that on my lashes. I'm gonna go in with the Tropic Like It's Hot by Allure lashes. They're faux mink. And this is the one that they did in collaboration with Jordan Woods. And I'm going to pop on these lashes. Alright, so now that my lashes are on and popping, these are just the cutest. I love these lashes. I don't wear them often because I don't know if they are limited edition. And if they are, I need to go get some more because I'm going to be very disappointed when those are not available anymore. But next I'm going in with the ColourPop X Shayla lip pencil in the shade BFF4. And I'm going to line my lips with that. Then the next thing I'm gonna go in with is the ColourPop Luxe Gloss in the shade Overnight. I also forgot to put on some blush. So I'm going in with the ColourPop Yes You Did Super Shock Cheek in matte. It's a matte texture. And I'm gonna apply that to my cheeks. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This look was super soft, super easy to do. I didn't really use that many products, and the gag is it's all affordable, so you can achieve this look without breaking the bank. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.